Alright, what's going on, guys? It is your boy Banner, TotalBallisticMayhem. Why did I just copy Jeff's intro? Hey, what is up, guys? It's your boy Banner, TotalBallisticMayhem, and welcome to Cat Mario. And I just realized something, guys. It's not my computer that's laggy. It's Bandicam. Bandicam makes everything laggier. And you're probably like, wait, you're using Bandicam? Why is the little like watermark at the top? Well, that's because when you purchase the videos longer thingamabob, the add-on, do not die. When you purchase the add-on to make your videos as long as you want, it gets rid of the watermark, which I think is really cool. Also, another thing is I just downloaded my Weezer CDs onto my phone, so let's see how bad this game can ruin my mood. No. Boom, haircut. Okay. What? I'd love to see this game just be like 2-player co-op mode. That'd be an interesting hellhole. What? Why? Why does that happen? Just so you know, guys, I got trivia crack on my phone the other day, so if you guys want to, if you guys want to die with me, no, I'm kidding, but I just got trivia crack, so I would tell you guys how to play with me, except nobody watches these videos, so there we go, and boom, boom, boom. Insert inhumane sound here. Jev. My name's Jev. Why do I keep doing the face Jev thing? Oh my god. Jev. What are those? What? Oh. I'm not even mad. That was funny. That's never... That had never happened to you before, but that has, so... How about that? Die. What are those? Toronto! Jesus Christ! Pikachu! Hello, Pikachu! Pikachu, what are you? I said 4. Yes! And that thing is spikes! I knew it! At least I got a checkpoint, but... Okay, then. What? The most disappointing thing about this is that there's not even a boss at the end of this level, so... I got a question. You gotta bounce off the white guy's head. Okay, got that. Pikachu. Diablo! Why? Okay. Think. Do not touch the block. Whatever does it do? Should not be that. Get down. Thank you, Pinkachink. Get up there, Pinkachink. Stay. Haircut. Yes. What are those? Yes. No, don't you dare. No. Yes. Am I gonna die? No, thank you. And then this one. Yeah. Okay, just give me a minute. That was embarrassing, getting on called down for dinner while I'm filming a video, but sorry this episode was short, but I do have to go to dinner, and I did finish the level for you guys, so we finally have progress done, and I'll see you guys in the next video.